In this video, we'll take a look at the account page in Evlop, where you can manage your profile, subscription plan, and billing details. We're at the Evlop mobile app landing page. And now, let's go to the Accounts page. This is the account page. Here you can view and manage everything related to your Evlop account. At the top of the page, you can see your account owner details. This confirms the primary contact for your Evlop account and ensures all administrative communications and billing notifications are sent to the correct address. Below that is the subscription plan section. Here you can view your current plan at a glance. If you're ready to scale your mobile store or access more advanced features, you can easily click Change Plan to explore our different tiers. Next is the Apple Developer Account area. To get your app live on the App Store, you'll need to link your Apple developer credentials here. Connecting this account is a key step in the publishing process for all iOS devices. Similarly, the Android Developer Account section is where you connect your Google Play console. This allows us to publish your app to the Play Store. Overall, these sections are more crucial to the app publishing, and we will talk about them more in depth in the app publishing related tutorial. To power your push notifications, you'll need to set up your Firebase account. By providing your configuration files here, you ensure that general push notifications, abandoned cart reminders, and backend stock alerts are delivered reliably to your customers' phones. For in-depth configuration, you can check our Firebase connection tutorial. Finally, the product publishing section shows you exactly how many items from your Shopify store are currently synced to the app. You can manage their availability here to ensure your mobile app product listing is always perfectly up to date. Managing your Evlop account is simple and centralized. From tracking your subscription to overseeing your product sync, everything you need to power your mobile storefront is right here. We're excited to see your app in the hands of your customers. Everything you need to manage your account all in one place. Install Evlop to get started.